Na, 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 na. Oh yeah, yeah. And that, yes, powder.
Oh, I'm leaning, 420 leaning. You know I don't no steaming. Secrets you're keeping, I never keep them. I know you've seen them, seen in the Rolls Royce leaning.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this wig. I have already took her out of the package and thrown her on, so I did not finesse her yet. So I'm going to do that on camera with you because I'm having a few concerns about this unit. So before I get into it, let's talk about where this wig comes from. I did purchase this wig from a new company called Hair Remy. The website is hairremy.com. And it says representation of hair, so that's their motto. And I got this. I like the box, so I showed y'all the box because I like the box. I like that it came in a recycled box. It's made from 100% recycled material, and I thought that was really, like, you know, one of their incentives to purchase it for eco-friendliness. If you're one of those people, excuse my bed, it has hair all over it because I'm about to crank these reviews out today. So this is the stock card that it comes with. It's just handwritten in there what the style is. This is the style Liyah, and I have her in a color one. I don't usually get color ones, although I do like them because it's a nice contrast to my skin because I'm like a brown girl. I'm not dark, but I'm not light, so it's like a good contrast. So I'm like good with the blondes and the darks. So this is a 4x4 unit. It has two combs and a comb in the back with adjustable straps. This is very much big head friendly. I have so much room. I was surprised that the lace that it came with is really soft. It's not like Swiss lace soft, but it's really soft and thin. It's really nice thin lace. The 4x4 parting area has a silk based liner. So if you're not a fan of that, you can definitely cut it out. I'm not sure yet. Depends on the wig if I like it or not. So this is a yaki textured wig, and let me see, I'll rub it to the back. This is a long unit. It's about 20 inches long. So, I mean, it's a good length for me. I can do 20 inches. I just don't like too much anything more so over the top. So when I got her out, I didn't brush her out. It was my first time brushing her out, and I ran my fingers through it, and there was some snags and tangles. So that was like a first concern. I'm not really big on the yaki texture of it because it's a thick yaki, but it is a 4x4 parting. Let me see. I would definitely have to use a wig band with this, and I don't use wig bands because it's slipping, and on the side, because of the type of lace they used, it's flapping in the wind. So I would have to put some got-to-be glue just on the sides to hold her down. I bought her because she reminds me of my all-time favorite wig, which is Janet Collection Noel. This is really, like, really reminiscent of it. See, it's like snags, but I'm gonna, you know, brush it out and hopefully they don't come back. This is my first time taking it out of the box. This wig will definitely slip up on you, and I don't recommend using the combs, but I'm gonna use the combs for right now because I don't have my wig grip band, and this is sliding, slipping and sliding any and every whip. So this is the side, and it has the silk base closure. It doesn't look too bad. It actually kind of matches my complexion good. So this is the hair parted to the side with the side swept like layers, which I think is nice. It's cute. Like I said, this parted like this reminds me of Janet Collection Noel wig, which is my favorite. And let me see. So that's cute. And let's see her parted down the middle. And see if it easily stays when you part her down the middle. Because some wigs you have to like make it stay with some heat. Yeah. So it could use a little flat ironing just to hold it down, because it's kind of big down the middle, but it's not bad. Like, I'm not mad at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to finesse her for y'all, so just watch.
Named Janina, slim like my Nina, out in Miami, Dolphin Marina. Let me fly you out where it's sandy. Tastes like candy, face on Yandy. New B-Day 28, just granted. Pink brown eyes, all Asian and slanted. Niggas all on you, I can't stand it. I booked the flight, baby, I just landed. I just ran it to you at Camden. You still got it, Yorkdale shopping. You're still popping, you're still top of my list. Girl, I've been in it so deep, I ain't slept in 5 weeks. Side thing, man, when she not who I breathe. This is for the girls born in the 90s. I'ma let you finish, let me get to my girl. I've been in it so deep, I ain't slept.
Okay, so I probably should have zoomed in. This is my first time trying to get my baby hairs together on camera, but just let me know if that was an issue for you. I'll do that next time. Make sure I zoom in. Now, the baby hairs may look thick, and that's just because the hairline on this unit is naturally thick, so it's like an unnatural hairline. So that's something that you could like just easily like pluck the hairs out of the edges. That way the baby hairs won't be too thick if you decide to do that. This is the unit. This is again Liyah. I'm gonna show y'all the back of the unit. Okay, that's how far she comes down. So yeah, this is all of it with me, on me, so you can see it all in its full glory. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comments, tell me what you like about the unit. But yeah, so go over to my Facebook fan page, my Instagram, my Twitter. Go ahead and follow me, because you'll see any previews of units that I'm going to be reviewing here. You'll see them over there first. Thanks for watching.